The Nyotrep Youth Council Sohiong Circle today made a strong complaint to the Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on the misuse by some vested interested persons accord tribal status to non-tribal through Ka Tang Jait. In a memorandum submitted to Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, T. Khan, the Nyotrep Youth Council said his organization has unearthed the malpractice of getting the tribal surnames through Ka Tang Jait. Under subsection P of Section 2 of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Khasi Social Custom of Lineage Act 1997, a Khasi man who marries a non-Khasi is entitled by this legislation that sons and daughters can acquire a new title or surname and also to be known as a Khasi. Addressing a press conference at Shillong Press Club, the president of Nyotrep Youth Council Sohiong Circle, P. Shabong, said that he has unearthed the misuse of Ka Tang Jait through the right to information.